Alright, come back, Alton.
Alright, Sister Priscilla, that's okay, alright? So, I now baptize you in the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. You see?
You never close the door for you.
That's
Yeah, man, yeah, me have one past story.
Yes.
But anyway, I know that. I'm so glad you're laughing, you know. That means me and your brethren, that means you go sign the paper them. Alright. You know me now, so you can't sign it. So I'm not looking for me now, but you may say to you now.
Hold on. This is who you related to?
Bill Brown.
Bill Brown.
Yeah, Bill Brown is my grandfather. I'm from the Bill Brown tribe.
Well, I know Bill Brown father, I don't know you.
Listen, I tell you, I'm from that tribe.
You're from that tribe.
Yes, so me could deny lineage come down, so yeah.
Bill Brown is the same man that
Listen, here we are. Yeah, Bill
get
Brown.
extradited for drugs.
No, Bill Brown, I see a man who breed almost breed the whole community of stuff.
Yeah, Bill Brown, do it too?
Yes, that's why I did.
My grandfather.
Yeah,
Me have a link me from 80. You know what them carry from 80, right? I know cucumber. I know plantain. I know banana. But that's something, when that shoot, people feel it. If you think you're bad, when I carry the paper come, don't sign it. Because your pastor is supposed to do the good work. So if you not do the good work, stop I from bank. Stop I from bank.
It's you now, since you want to go there. It is a threat. Because since you want to go there, let me tell you something. I'm a pastor, I'm a father. Listen to me, Rasta man. Let me tell you this. You see?
Me I listen.
Back in my days, you know, I wasn't at 87 back then, you know. I was in 95.
Yeah.
And you see, if I was doing the same thing that I used to do back then, you as a Rasta man, you couldn't stand right here in front of me and try to threaten me like this, you know. You see?
What you used to do? Talk to no pastor.
You know what? I'm not gonna let you stand here and try to drain my spirit, you know, because you see, it come like this, the devil send you here to me. See, you're going
on a year on the recording though, and pastor me I talk to you know, so I said pastor, I have praise, you know. Yeah man, I said pastor, you see a while ago, he used to thief dog and kill cow.
Alright, ready now, Brittany, walk out.
Back already, man. Oh, Tommy, I do ya. I ain't walk. Tommy! I would say can't shot in a problem. You're blind.
Alright, good. Good cure, hold on.
Man, below me alone, man.
What kind of foolish that me see I do on social media?
What me do?
What kind of video you do? A video gun go send go give girl? You idiot, you're not police.
No, listen,
With the
man.
people them gun, I fear it.
No, listen,
I
man.
fear.
Listen, man, I'm mistake that man and somebody punch you out of my phone.
Somebody punch you out your phone. So you have next girl, you have video gun go give girl, you have girl.
No.
You have girl.
No,
Let me go. You see if I didn't want you. You think you are police be afraid of you?
This one cook my mom.
Cook one, me not, you're going dead for you hungry in this.
Relax, man, me come put on my clothes and go and walk. I want to see you, man.
Put on his clothes and go walk. Me want know the girl, which girl you have to go give gun. Me want know the girl.
Oh, pastor!
Me not even pastor. Me no business. Not even pastor can help me. Look here.
Pastor, come stay and
Me no business, you there? Me no care. Me no care. Look here.
Break it up, man.
Break up what?
Break it up. That's what I feel. What's it?
Papa. Yes, faster. That's right.
Master, mate.
Boy, I come on, my family. Any name, man. Just come anything, man.
Him.
Detective.
You can't say cause of what? The man being called me.
Ready? Ready? Man, me talking to you, man. We are
Me no business. Pastor can't help you in this.
Come on, Mampy.
Yeah.
The man is a big man, you know, man. Don't
tell him again.
You see, if I'm a big man, you would act like a big man and stop one like a little picnic.
True.
I guess he has some misunderstanding.
Alton, just chat loud.
Yeah.
Chat loud.
Chat loud.
Nobody give me.
You chat loud, Alton. Chat loud.
We talk loud and I could take the mic and we chat loud. And we talk loud. I'm loud. Give it.
Chat loud. This does look good. I'm a man of God.
You got the light in your pocket? You wait a minute. The last seat one, right?
I'm a man of God. It's not good. No, Alton, just chat back about it. What's the height?
Stop from.
Ready?
Stop from me.
No, Mampy, man. The man is
No,
a big
somebody
man.
not record none.
No, man. It's right.
Oh.
No, Mampy, man. It don't look good.
Right, tell him again, Pastor.
He's a big man, man.
If
Big
India,
man.
shut up. From licking in your face.
No, Mampy.
You see, if India big man, he act like a big man and stop act like a picnic.
I understand what you're saying, Mampy, but listen, Mampy. Let me talk to you, Mampy.
No, you chat him right. You say,
No,
We love the man with a big man, man.
hand up your say now move. You act like a boy, say you get boy treatment. Hand up your stuff.
You see? This is what when you take up work and of your size.
One of you size. Who fires up here?
But
I mean, start for you know.
Sorry, but let me just talk to him a little. Alright, Mampy.
nobody never wants me to take him up
Let
on
me tell you something. You're lucky.
We can resolve better. We can resolve this better.
Alright, me I turn up here so you go out there so go chat.
let me
now.
talk to him
Me I
first
wait.
and then we
No,
talk.
me I wait for him. Yes, so call. Me want to know which girl you sing gun go give. Tonight. So.
Colleague, them tell me.
Me no business. Oh, so you don't just tell me say somebody hacking your phone. How you send colleague now?
Let me talk.
How you send colleague now?
No, Mampy.
You don't just
Mampy.
fight to.
No.
You have to come in here tonight. You have to come in here.
Let me talk. See?
Oh.
Ready now? Ready. Action.
Who just put me out? Oh. Rastaman. Hold on. What color are you? What color? Me pay you for what, man? Eh? Me pay you, no man to come here to watch me yard. Why you didn't stop him? Why you never stop him? Yeah, you try to do everything, lay down class, yeah, so anything. Up it. You afraid of gunshot? When you play your protect the yard, any bullet you have to take it.
Alright.
I left take just so I got for you.
Alright. Bye-bye. Where you get this point, you know? Where you get
Alright. No rest. Me deal with you and back. What me have here?
No, I'm just skip things for Alton. Yeah, but Alton, you move all the. Yeah, but still follow him, man. You can't follow him. You know, him move and follow him, man. That's why I put it there, you know.
Me can't dip on wide and me dip on wide.
Let me see how wide there. You go wide for sure. It's right. No.
Hold it.
Man, slap the girl, man.
That's the Papa gone upstairs with the woman. Papa, I hear that. Yeah, Papa.
Tell him, Alton, no, tell him the other way. No, tell him the other way now. See, I tell him.
No, fight the one
I tell you, say, Papa, fool.
Yeah, you have to tell us, yeah.
Papa,
You know, no sense.
gone upstairs. That no sense. Man, oh.
My phone. What is wrong with your mommy? I'm not taking it. So what you give me for? It's my family. My cousin. Mommy, he's my cousin. Let me stop.
Well, listen, stop. You want to come and suppose to my cousin. Oh, you're loving and romantic. And the one little time you see me.
Let me stop. It's my cousin. Look over there. I brag to my cousin. Say you're nice and you're loving and your personality up. And I saw you deal with me because you think me a cheat. I saw you stop.
Well, come back, we catch that.
Let me stop. Look over there. I brag to my cousin. Say you're nice and you're romantic and your personality up. See? I saw you deal with me.
Alright, good.
Dummy, I don't miss violence and can't
Stop him now. Javi, stop him.
You're not going to know.
Javi, stop him. You see off the machine.
Yeah.
Come on, serious.
Ready?
Yo, I just didn't pull out when I got that. What I do? Where I do? What's the man? What's the pull out thing?
Ready?
Alton, we catch her.
Oh, no, this only thing.
Go to sleep, man.
Oh.
Dummy, I don't domestic violence. You're not going to know.
Javi, stop him now.
No.
Javi, stop him. See off the
Yo,
machine. Javi.
Good. So, Javi, how do you sit? How do you sit?
Fred, serious.
Serious man, dummy. Where you do? Like my idiot.
Get up. Ready? You don't. Dummy, I don't miss violence. You're not going to know. You ain't out. Go down beside your
What I do? See the crap, what I do?
That's me, I feel you.
What matter? See the crap. Alright, don't tell you doing it.
Alright,
Ready? And action.
Javi, stop him now.
Dummy, you're not going to know. Dummy, calm yourself. Me, I don't know, fight but they will shoot in at you. Relax yourself. Dummy,
Put on. So what you do? Why you go over to him? Go over to him and chip up Alton. Chip up them.
alright.
I say, boy, don't. How about great man, me just shoot.
Well, I want that so.
Come on.
Yeah.
And then when the thing go, you say to her, say, yo, puff your clothes, man.
Ready?
Put your tooth
That's a record over there.
Same thing, man. How do you?
Yeah, go over there. Go over there. Oh. Come on, over there. Take up the machine. Hold it. You're not recording, man. Hold the machine. Hold the machine. Hold it right, sir. Hold it right. Hold it. And then you drop it. So when you drop, wait, not yet, man. Not yet. Hold it, man. Ready? Hold it, like but you got 2,000 up on that still for the bed far away. Still great. Still dark, man.
But you have the something on, brother.
And it's supposed to be running. Ready now, Alton. Ready now. Dummy. Yo, dummy, relax yourself, you. Yo. If I want to, I shoot before shooting at you. Yes, you like. Eh?
Pull him on some more tonight, son. Pull him on some more tonight. So we're gonna pull him.
Ready? Ready now, ready. Ready? What? What is the next? Ready? Dummy, if I want you to shoot you. If you say I can bother police, if you say I fight, but me I go for my job. I shoot people, you know. If I want him to shoot in the head, the boy. Come on, test. One fear close. Yes.
I want to come back. I'm going to take
One fear. There we are big feeling. Ready? One fear close. Come on. If I want to come back, come back. Come back. You can't back on. But I just said to me, say, make come back for the close later.
No, man, that's it.
No, go for the close. Come on, make come back here. No, call him back here. No, shit on my station. Motherfucker, I can't shit on my station. Let's take some time.
No, man, tell you, nobody go for the close. Come on.
Yes. That's right, though. I see. So I don't try. One fear close. Yeah. You know what? Come back. Nobody go fear close. I straight to the station.
Step down. And talk. You're check up then. You know, no bend down yet. No bend down. Then you talk first. No, man, talk first and then bend. You walk and start.
One fear close. Wait, don't worry. Right now, station.
Come back again. Come on, go after. Send him big close. We have to take me to the big. You call him up. Bring him up. Action.
Ready? One fear close. Nobody look for her. Right? I beg. No, me.
That will take too long to come.
No, me, remember say.
Too long to come.
Yeah, I beg.
So I've been pending your calling.
Alright.
Bend. You know, action.
One fear close. No, me. Wait, come back. Right now, station. Nobody would beg. Right now, body. Right now, if I want to.
Alright, good.
You ready, Alton?
Yeah.
Ready now, action. Wait, hold on, you know what? I get the chair on tonight. I get the chair on it. One camera with all chair now. Ready now, action.
Good, master. Turn up. The right as well, so you see me. I said, Dummy, where you want? Yeah, Dummy, where you want? Ready now, ready now, action. No, if the chair take up, make him take up. Ready. I said no, ready now, action. Ready.
So you are gonna say you're not gonna run me belly, dummy?
What is
BMs, no dummy.
BMs. What is some Charlie like? What is
And the BMs, me I got ear and some ear.
Alright, so my general. Give that them on them mic. More walking. Give me mic. Take your mic.
Yeah, go on in. Good. I don't want nobody miss me.
Don't talk to LG. No, Alton. So yeah, go back to say green. You know? Ready now and then same time LG come in. Ready now? Ready? Ready? No talking. No talking. Ready? Are you ready? Ready? Action. Hold on. Someone has the big house. Hold on the Alton. Hold on. Someone has the big house in area and still walk and lick up to that. Fuck that. Ready again. Alton, ready again. Ready, action. Hold on, sorry LG. Hold on. What we want you to do? After you tell say no, you run the belly, more you still take up your gear and hold her hand. Cause that would be the indication for sure you say, yo, look like them two of them there, you know. So after you tell him say no green, then you take up the melon and green and she say yes and hold her hand. Yeah man, choose something for her. And gear the melon, then hold her hand. Then that time LG will come out. Step out LG. So LG, wait for him to hold the hand. Ready now, Alton, action. LG, walk more someone I see, man. You can't even see that. You're not coming at the camera. You're not coming at the camera.
Give me have it.
No. Yeah, give me mic just a second.
No, yeah, I have so much. Just give me a break. Here.
Alton, why you pull her hand so that would be the indication to him.
Yeah.
Let's have in mind. So LG, you come in, you can't say no. Come in and swap one. I walk fine. So hear about this. Very fine. Or LG, I'm making chat before man. You're making talk to you first and then LG walk.
Yeah.
So yo, LG, wait till you get the mic, then you walk in here. Ready now? Ready.
Alright, so Alton, give me it and then ask him the price. Ask him, show me sign. Ready now?
Lexi.
Well, let's say, kind of have a mic. Hold on.
You know what me follow you for? What you left me for a dumb man? See how like this man call me an ex? What kind of stylist? Hey boy, you think I'm afraid of you? What do you mean by no? Yo, how are you do?
Rehearsing.
Come to me on a Thursday. I'll guide you through the process because this walk is not a normal walk, and we wrestle against flesh and blood. We don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high places.
Yes.
Right now?
You remember that?
Well, I know, but that's
We don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high places.
Let's take out the laugh out.
Then no, Alton, so you tell him that you can come and visit me on a Thursday at my office, and we'll go through the process and I'll guide you through. And remember, stay strong because we wrestle against, we don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high places. Ready now? Action.
What you can do, you know? I have fasting on a Thursday. You can come here on a Thursday if you don't have anything doing, and I can show you the way to the cross from there. You understand?
I'm sorry.
Well,
I'm sorry.
I
I don't know where we are going right this though.
All right, come.
Alright, come. Ooh, alright, we're ready.
You see me dance over there, see? You see what me do when I go?
Ain't no say that.
Because I know say that.
And remember, we wrestle against flesh and not against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high places. Right now, an action.
You know what? I'm not gonna let you stand here and try to drain my spirit, you know, because you see, it come like this, the devil send you here to me. You see, you're going
On a year on the recording though, and Pastor me attack to you know, so I said Pastor on our praise, you know. Yeah man, I said Pastor, you see a while ago, him used to thief dog and kill cow. On a year.
Since Deacon Bacchus is moving so fishy.
Your food is kind of somebody. So fishy.
I think
1% fulfilled for the deacon exposition.
Yes.
And also the treasurer. And Sister Baker was the treasurer. You know.
yes, but she wanted to be the treasurer, but my spirit did tell me said that girl something was wrong with her. Deacon is a good thing I never make her the treasurer. Because I sense a little thief in her, a little rat.
You go on, but you're not signing. You think you can fool me? Me know why we are sleeping in our church, you know. I can go on, man. You have to sign that. Have a Rusty sitting up at the farm there, see. They have it for the people who teach goat. Because Christmas a come. And me have some goat today. Some rammy and some different one and some kiddie. So I got borrow that's in the half of the farm. Go up in some callaloo and roll up and yard with the papers them. Making you go think a callaloo me come for give him. Watch and see.
And see me on Thursday and I can show you the way to the cross from there.
Yeah,
Understand?
no problem, you know.
Yes.
On Thursdays is actually my day off. Thursdays and Saturdays.
Right.
So I do have the free time.
Because at my church, we don't really wrestle with the...
We don't wrestle against flesh and blood.
Flesh and blood.
But spiritual wickedness in high places.
Don't rest.
No, but just say,
No, not in your church. Because as Christians, we don't wrestle against flesh and blood.
I'm just say before that.
Side places.
Yes.
Ready now?
Come, what?
All right.
Come Thursday.
Ready now?
Right. So on a Thursday, you can just come in for free. You understand? Because as a Christian, we don't wrestle with the flesh. But we...
Yeah, man, you said that quite good. We don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high places.
yeah. Yes, but I don't know your schedule is. But on a Thursday, you can come and we can go from there.